Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this lace closure wig by Love Me Hair. The hair actually comes in this purple packaging right here, and the packaging comes with a wig cap. It comes with an instruction of how to take care of your hair. It also comes with baby hair scarf, and it comes with 2 headbands and bobby pin as well. So this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. As you can tell, the hair is curly, and straight from the box the curls are popping like popping. I really like the construction of the cap. It's glueless. There's no need for you to use any glue or gel. As you can tell, the hairline is amazing, and the part of the hair is already, detailed straight from the box, and the lace melted into my skin as I showed you guys. The construction of the cap is glueless. You don't need any glue or gel to install the hair. The hair comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and as I mentioned earlier, it also comes with center parts straight from the box. So yeah, basically everything has been done for you. As you guys can tell, the knots has also been bleached straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything at all you need to do is just cut the lace and you will be good to go. And that's exactly what I showed you guys in this part of the video. As you can tell, the hair is secured and it's going nowhere. But for those of you who like using bed heads or any spray on your hair, feel free to do so. This is exactly what I did in this part. I sprayed the bed head spray on the areas where I was going to place the lace, and I used the tail comb to blend the lace of the wig into the spray, and I applied the elastic band and the baby hair scarf on the hair, and voila, that is it. Anyone can actually install this hair. Everything has been done for you straight from the box. The hair has been customized straight from the box. You don't have to do anything at all. But I just like to go extra step, just to, give it a little touch of mine, if that makes sense. So yeah. So I use the Care wax stick to melt down the hair with the oil comb, and then use my concealer to intensify the patch. You don't have to do all this, but I'm just used to doing it anyway. So I use my hands to brush out the curls, just to give it that Dinah Rose kind of look. As you can tell, you can wear the hair dry, you can wear the hair wet. If you want that big hair don't care kind of look, then you can use your fingers to brush out the curls as I did just now. And look at that. I love their new hairline for their closures now, because it looks more natural, and I'll go into details about that later. So yeah, I'm loving the curls, I'm loving the hair, I'm loving the fact that I don't have to do anything at all to install the hair. And this is my favorite part of this hair, guys. When the hair is wet, you will be on another level entirely. It's just like my natural hair, but longer and fuller. Look at that. I was really impressed with the quality of the curls. Like, it's so natural. I was amazed that I couldn't just stop screaming wow, because the hair is giving. Trust me, it's giving my natural hair, but longer and fuller. So I was feeling the curls. Trust me, I couldn't just stop brushing the curls every time. I had to edit almost an hour of me brushing this hair because I couldn't get enough of this hair. But yeah, I am loving it. I love the curls of this hair, and trust me, if you have natural hair and you want to wear protective style, definitely recommend that you go for this hair. You would really love it. I love the fact that a lot of people were confused about the fact that my hair looks longer, in 3 days. It's just a wig. It's a wig. It's a wig with natural touch. I love the curls of this hair. They are popping, like popping. That's it for today's video. Really very simple, straightforward, easy, and yeah, beginner friendly as well. As you can tell, the hair is really full. Just wait until the hair is dried, because I actually came back on camera to show you guys when the hair was completely dry. Look at that. Very full, very full to the brim. I love the density of this hair and how voluminous the hair is. Like, yep, that's the back as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my review. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this curly hair lace closure wig I am wearing right now. Guys, look at that curls. They are popping. I'm just gonna quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the curls were popping, like straight out of the box. Hair is definitely beginner friendly in my opinion. If you're the type that like, you know, that cut your lace and go type of hair, then this is definitely for you. You don't have to worry about customizing your hair. If you're new to wigs and you need a protective styles to, you know, mimic your natural hair, I will definitely recommend this hair, guys. Look at those curls. The hair is actually dried now, and as you guys can tell, the curls are still popping. You guys, the curls of the hair mimics my natural hair. It's just like my natural hair but longer. Exactly the vibe I'm getting from this wig. Another thing I love about this hair is the fact that LUVMEHAIR has actually improved on their lace closure wig, because I remember the last wig I had, it has this thing on the side that you can actually see my natural hair on this side. They have actually improved in the construction of their wig, and I am loving this based on the fact that this new model gives that, you know, kind of lace frontal wig in store vibe, if that makes sense. Look at that. I love the fact that my hair no longer shows under the, you know, wig anymore, so that's a plus for me. That's definitely a bonus for me. Also go for baby hair as well. And look at the lace, guys. I am loving this lace. It's melted into my skin effortlessly. When it comes to lace of my wigs, I am definitely a fan of LUVMEHAIR lace. It's the hairline of their hair. Look at that, guys, giving scalp, and I am here for it. Another thing I love about this hair is the quality of the hair, guys. Despite the fact that I've been putting my hand through the hair all through the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding at all, guys. No shedding, no tangling whatsoever. The hair maintained its original state throughout the styling of the hair. I am loving that. Quality wise, it's always top notch when it comes to LUVMEHAIR, and you guys already know that I am a huge fan of their hair. They're always giving quality back to back. Like, I've never had any bad hair from LUVMEHAIR, and this is the fourth time really. So that tells me that when it comes to quality, they're always on the top, and that for me is just amazing. I love the consistency of the quality of their hair. Is definitely giving me life, and I love the fact that they are improving and upgrading their wig every time. So that for me is just one of the amazing reasons why I would definitely recommend that you guys check them out, and you would not regret it. And if you guys don't know LUVMEHAIR, LUVMEHAIR hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, they have airband wigs, they have all types of hair on their website. They have all types of hairstyles and texture on their website with different style, with different lengths and different volumes. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. But for me right now, I am obsessed with this hair, guys. I am obsessed. I mean, look at that. The curls are popping. The hair is dried now, but look at that. The hair, can see that. Look at that. How amazing is this? It's like my natural hair but longer and fuller. Another thing I love about this hair is the volume of this hair, guys. Look at that. The volume of this hair is just amazing. Very, very full. Very, very full. From the back to the front of the hair is really, really full. So you have nothing to worry about when it comes to the volume and quality of this hair. I can assure you that you definitely come back and thank me later. So would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I will definitely recommend LUVMEHAIR any day, anytime. When it comes to quality, you have nothing to worry about. You will get your money's worth and more. In terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of how easy it is to install the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of the quality of the curls, guys, it's definitely AA plus for me. The curls are popping. And in terms of their shaping, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of the lace of the wig, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in in terms of how full and how healthy and natural the hair looks, it's definitely a plus for me. Definitely recommend that you guys check out Love Me Hair for amazing quality hair at affordable prices. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.